Alright, just waiting to, not sure if you can see that, grab one more satellite. And I'm going to go and try to get a close look at that. Looks like I may be taking off with 11. I prefer, oh, 14. Okay, so we are good to go. With the high wind, I don't have the problems that everybody else has with the UPAIR 1. I mean, as you can see, it's holding solid in one spot with no problem. And I hope you can see it. Pretty sure you can, because I can't see it in this small screen, but yeah. Thinking about climbing that. Just not too sure. So if I can get to the top of that, I may be able to get to the top of that. Riding the bike over here was a little rough, but not bad. Nothing like the first time I rode it. And that was just on pavement by the house. So let's see what happens. Guess I'll find out what shape my heart is in. Here we go. What a view. I'd say I'm only about halfway up. Can definitely feel how out of shape I am. No worries, I have water. I have the phone. I'm not in a hurry. Yeah, this is insane. Pretty damn cool. Pretty sure somebody's living in there. Don't want to find out. Well, that's it for me. This is high enough. I mean, I'm only about 20 feet from the top of that, and maybe 50 feet from the top there, 100 feet from the top there, but I am way the hell up here. Didn't take very long either. And there's the other side of the mountain. Craziness. Just a whole bunch of craziness. You can really see the sand over there. I actually got a funny feeling that going down is going to be harder than coming up was, to keep your footing. Pretty cool. I can say I did it. I am not going any higher. Pretty cool.